I found a box. Hurry.
What's in it, Tammy? What's in the box?
No, it has the club's logo on it. Should I open it? It might be another clue.
Open it! Open it! Yes, open it!
It's a science experiment, Tim. It's something called elephant toothpaste. I didn't know elephants use toothpaste. I'm definitely gonna have to try this when we get home.
That's definitely got to be a clue. Take it home and try it out.
So in the box were the supplies to make elephant toothpaste. So I have my assistant here, Miss Lily, and she's gonna show you a really cool experiment that you can do at home with some supplies that I'm sure that your moms and dads probably already have around the house. These are the supplies you're gonna need. A measuring spoon, a measuring cup, some food coloring, some dish soap, active dry yeast, hydrogen peroxide, and a funnel would help. You're also gonna need some warm water. We have our experiment on a lined cookie sheet because it might get a little bit messy. Do this someplace where you can make a mess with supplies that you don't mind getting dirty. Start by pouring half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into your measuring cup. A little bit more. Add a big squirt of dish detergent and swirl it around to mix. Add a few drops of food coloring. We picked blue.
Sky blue.
Measure out 1 tablespoon of yeast, which is equivalent to 3 teaspoons, more or less. Add in 3 tablespoons of water, which is equivalent to 9 teaspoons of water. Mix it up for 30 seconds. Pour it all in. Pour.
Elephant toothpaste. It's so fun. I can't even see the bottle. It's all blue. Ooh, it looks like sky.
So the science behind this, Lil. When you added the yeast to the hydrogen peroxide, it broke it down into water and oxygen. The water stayed in the bottle, but the oxygen wanted to escape. But we put dish soap in there, so that trapped the oxygen and made bubbles. The bubbles became foam and escaped out the bottle.
Do not eat or drink.
Cleaning this up is super easy. Just put it down in your sink and wash your pans and your cups. That was a really cool experiment, but I'm not sure if there was a clue. I should call Tim. Hey Tim, the elephant toothpaste, it was super cool, but I'm not sure if there was a clue there.
Well, is there anything else in the box?
What's this?
It's gotta be another clue. Read it. What is it? Read it.
The paper says, I can only live where there is light, but I die if light shines on me. What am I?
That's definitely another clue. It's gonna be a shadow. It's a shadow. Great work, Tammy. Great work. The adventure goes on.
Let's learn about shadows. For this activity, you're gonna need some small toys, a piece of white paper, a pencil, and some sunshine. Start by laying out your white pieces of paper. Take your animals and set them on the paper so you can see their shadows. Look how big the giraffe looks. And the zebra. Use your pencil and trace the outline of the shadow. After you're done tracing, leave your animal out in the sun and see how the shadow changes. I left mine out for about a half an hour. We know that shadows change based upon the angle of the sun, and we know that the sun changes based upon the time of the day. So your shadow will change over the course of the day. How long did you leave your animals out in the sun?